Hey Leo, I've been reading about clean architecture lately and it's really changing how I approach my projects. Have you had any experience with it?
Absolutely. I started applying it to my last project, and it made a huge difference. It's all about separating concerns, right?
Exactly. I love how it promotes modular design. I've been struggling with tightly coupled code for a while and clean architecture has helped me break that down.
Same here. One of the key aspects I found useful is the dependency rule. It really helps in making the core business logic independent of frameworks.
Totally. I implemented that in a recent feature. It was refreshing to have the business logic completely separate from the UI. It makes testing so much easier.
Isn't it? I remember writing unit tests for my business logic without having to mock the entire framework. It was a game changer.
That's so true. Plus, I noticed that when I needed to update the UI, it didn't affect the core functionality. It saved me a ton of time.
Exactly. Another thing I appreciate is how clean architecture makes it easier to onboard new team members. They can understand the code base faster since everything is well structured.
Absolutely. I had a new developer join our team, and with the clean architecture in place, they got up to speed much quicker than I expected.
Have you tried using any specific frameworks or libraries that align well with clean architecture?
Yes, I'm using a combination of MVC and dependency injection. It really helps keep everything decoupled.
Nice choice. I went with a layered architecture approach and found that it gives me the flexibility to swap out components when needed.
That sounds great. I think the key takeaway is that clean architecture isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about adapting the principles to fit your project needs.
Exactly. We should definitely share our experiences with the rest of the team. It could help them improve their code quality too.
I agree. Let's set up a casual lunch and learn session. We can discuss our implementations and learn from each other.
Great idea. I'm excited to hear how others are tackling clean architecture. It's always good to get new perspectives.
Definitely. Plus, sharing our successes and challenges will foster a more collaborative environment in the team.
Exactly. Let's get back to work, but I'm looking forward to that lunch and learn.
Me too. Clean architecture is definitely worth the time we invest in it.